How to increase your credit limit on Capital One. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for CapitalOne.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Capital One. Now, check your eligibility. Make sure you have had your card for at least 6 months. Ensure your account is in good standing with no missed penalties or high utilization. Further review your credit score and report. A higher score can improve your chances. Also consider your income and overall financial situation. That is, a stable income can support your request. Now go ahead and request a credit limit increase. You can request in 3 ways. First, online. Log into your Capital One account and navigate to the Services section. Look for the option to request a credit limit increase. Second, mobile app. Use the Capital One app to request an increase directly from your account. And third is through your phone. Call the customer service number on the bank of your card and ask to speak to a representative about credit limit increase. Now, provide information about your income, employment status, and housing cost in order to request it further. Some requests might require a soft or hard credit inquiry, so be aware of the potential impact on your credit score. So, this is how you can increase your credit limit on Capital One. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.